Hey y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. My name is Amber. I was only going to do 2 unboxings today, but since I've been gone for so long, not that long, but a few days, I decided to do 3 for y'all. So that's exciting. Let's do the small one first. This is a fairly new release. I think most of these ones are, because they get them every week, so it's a new release. And then after this, I think you're gonna. Oh, sorry guys, darn it. I had to see my fingers for a second. So sorry about that. I always forget that part, and then I'm shaking y'all. Darn it. Sorry. But I think you guys are going to start seeing a lot of different unboxings from different companies. So, I got her. Geisha. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, I had to. She is a 51 by 41. So let's get her open. How are y'all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you like what you see, push that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you get to see you guys. We're almost there to 200. Once we get to 200, y'all, I'm giving away a nice giveaway. It's going to be a diamond painting, and you're going to have a choice between, you'll have choices. So if you've never seen a Diamond Art Club kit, you will see I get a boat, a blue squishy, a blue pen. It's a clear boat with a spout. 2 heart-shaped wax, like 5 baggies, and this one I got a 6-placer. Don't mind my ugly nails, guys. I did get my acrylic off of them though, and they're really sore and tender, so I'm not gonna do anything else with them for a minute. And it'll say round on there. But if you get the square ones, the only difference is you do get nice black tweezers with them. You do get a sticker. Some of them, not all of them, even if they're new. If there's not a sticker in there, they won't send them to you. So just letting you know. Look at her beautiful face. She's so pretty. A lot of color blocking, y'all. And she has 2 ABs. So let's get into seeing her. Little pack. She's tiny. Y'all, I didn't think she was this little. Just a little one. I get my infusion tomorrow, y'all, so hopefully I start feeling a lot better. Then if you're new, this is step-by-step instructions of how to diamond paint. I ain't new, I don't need it. So, I'm going to do a whip and chat tonight. So if y'all want to know some more, I'm going to get more in depth of why there's going to be multiple different companies from now on. And not my obvious favorite that I obviously open every video. I'll explain more in detail why that is. So, and Dreamer Designs, you guys, they are freaking sweet. So I sent them the bad, just what I showed you guys, the drills just from the one painting. And they're sending me 3 new kits. So, canvases and all, which is so sweet of them, and with the drills. Isn't that so nice? There was like no problem with their customer service. Like, they just asked to see the, if they could see the drills, and I showed them numerous pictures, numerous angles. Oh, she's gorgeous. And they just said, we're sorry about that, and we're going to send you out 3 new canvases, 3 new kits. So, let's get closer to her face. Let's focus on her. Sorry about the glare, guys. Oh, she's pretty. Look at her hair. Look at the little flowers and stuff in her hair. Oh my goodness, she's gonna be nice to work on. And the greenish, vibrant colors in her makeup, yes. That's an AB. Yep. So all this green you see right here throughout the flowers and her neck, on her right in through here, these are all gonna be ABs. So we got that covered. Okay, now while you look at her beautiful face too, I'm gonna show you some drills. I did shut my window, y'all, so we shouldn't hear that much in the background. If we do, I apologize. Like I said, I hope everyone's staying safe. I didn't say crinkle crinkle time, darn it. Sorry. Since I don't have both my ring lights broke, so I'm gonna have to, I can't do any unboxings unless it's in the daytime, and sometimes it's too hard. I can't do it because there's too much noise, So here's 310, it's a beautiful black. Here's a light peach skin, skin colored. Here's a little bit darker, 3371. That's a very, very dark brown, I believe. Yeah, very, very dark, almost black. Here's a brown. That pink's pretty. 601. Pretty pink. Oh, is that 801? That's 801, sorry. 820, that's a beautiful blue. 80, so excited. 135. Look how vibrant that AB is. I always say, I'm not sure if I've had that AB, but I'm sure I have. Look how many Diamond Art kits I have, y'all. If you don't know what AB is, it means Aurora Borealis, and that means it has a special coating on there. So you see how it has different colors coming throughout. So when you lay it on the canvas, it's going to pick up more blues and the light yellow and stuff, or whatever colors around it. It brings those colors out, and it just makes the whole painting just pop. A light yellow AB. 137. Such a beautiful AB, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Ooh-wee. 498. It's like it looks more, it's like a cranberry-ish color, but a little bit darker. If that makes any sense. Here's a brown. Here's gray. Here's like a caramel. Here's like a pinkish, mauve-ish color. Here's like a fuchsia. That's like a light mint. Like a blue. And this color always stumps me. What is that color, y'all? It's 38.30. What is it? I don't know, but it's a pretty color. That color always stumps me off, and I always do these small bags. I do it in 4s, like this. This is just the easiest way I know of, like the accordion style. And then see how down here, there'll be 3 left. So then you just, oh, that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. What the heck? Get back in there. Then you just flip that over, so then it ends up like this. So then I can get them back in there easy. And these all fold in 4s too. So let's see what these colors, beautiful colors are. Oh, here's a lot of 310. I was gonna say there's not only one bag of 310, so we got 5 bags of 310 in this painting. Living that 310 life. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys. So it's a Hannah Lynn, and they do this now, where they put the artist name and then Diamond Art Club, which is pretty cool. And it has a legend on both sides. So the left is on the bottom left, and the right's on the top right. Legend, key, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you call it. Okay. So we got like a gray, a green, another gray, a tealish color, like a beigeish color, brown, 327, that's a pretty purple, 992, that's a pretty green, 3837, pretty purple, 699 is green, 3843 is a vibrant blue. We got some just neutral colors. 209 is like a pink lavender. It's really pretty. 912 green. 742 is like a orangish yellow. We got some off-white cream. Not off-white, that's like a cream, like yellow tint. Some more gray. Some dark blue. It's a orangish red color. And caramel. So those are our drills, and I'll show you where the ABs go. So did I do that? Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 4. So then I just accordion, oh my gosh, I can't even speak. Like, just do this. Just do it in 4s like this. There you go. And then you can just place this. I think they had it one wrapped around like that. That's how they had it. So, I don't know how they do their magic. But I store my drills separately anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But let's just see how I did. We kind of learn, over time of doing all the unboxings and everything. We kind of learn how to get it decent. I'll never get it, the way Diamond Art Club does it. And just get them all pushed. Get in your place. Get. So like that. Not perfect, but not too bad. My dogs are in the back. You guys are chilling. They're actually both just being so good. So there's Marshall for the hater lady. And there's Mia. She's got her butt towards you. Yeah. to the lady that hates dogs. Hop off my page. Not really though. Okay, so our ABs are gonna be that neon like greenish yellow color and that beautiful blue. So we got symbol 1 and symbol 2. So like I said, one's through here, underneath her eye, through here, all up in here. There's a little bit right there. There is, yeah, up here, right in here, there, in here, around here, and right there on her shoulder, and right here on her shoulder. She's pretty, y'all. She's beautiful. So let's find 2s. 2s, where you at? 2s are blue. So we got a little through here. I'm trying to check her eyes. There's none around her eyes. But there's 2s. 2s are in through here. All in through there. You see that blue? Yeah. Right underneath there. They're all over throughout here. They are, and that's where they are. But I'm gonna pop more ABs in there. I can pop some lavender ones in there. Some other ones too. I got peach ones, got some pink ones. This might just go AB crazy. I don't know. Who knows? She's beautiful. Yeah, so this is going to be a nice video, but my more rant one is going to be tonight, y'all. So come back for the rant if you want to hear it. If you don't want to hear about any drama about a certain company, then that might not be a video you want to watch. And I'm sorry. People might hate me for it. I might lose subscribers. I don't know, but I'm just not going to shut up about it. You know, that's just not how I am. So I store my drills and this separately. And my drill kit. But I just put the paint in the box. Okay, moving on. Let's show you, I don't know what this is, but, oh, okay, this is not a new release, but this is one I've been wanting to get for a very long time. I'm a huge fan. I've got tons of her, and tons more to do, and tons more that I'm going to order. I just love her. You'll see. You'll see why. And some of y'all might love her too. But I had to get it. I don't know if she's on discontinued or not, but I didn't want to wait. Because like you've seen, anybody that orders Diamond Art Club, you gotta be on it because they're selling everything out so quick. You can pre-order, but that then you get it within, you get it in 3 to 4 weeks or something. So I'm like, well, I think they must be restocking in 3 to 4 weeks. So if I go there, who knows? What? Oh goodness! Why didn't you all tell me I didn't get the bottom? Probably screaming, Amber, you didn't get it all. It's on there tight, y'all. So I got Marilyn Monroe because I've been wanting her forever and she is my favorite. I have so many things of hers. I've got t-shirts, I've got multiple diamond paintings, hoodies, everything. So my room, my husband even agreed it was okay if he could throw in some Bob Marley stuff. I was like, that's fine. I'll do you some Bob Marley diamond paintings. But yeah, she's pretty. So she is round with AB, 52 by 52. So I don't know if this is an older one or what, or if it's gonna have a sticker. If it don't have a sticker, I have no idea. We'll find out. It's opaque cover, so it is older. And it is round, so I can't show you the thing because it's round. I'm going to be living the 5200 life, and I haven't had 5200 forever. Hopefully it has one of those little things so I can make a sticker out of. Hopefully. Please, baby Jesus. So since Diamond Art Club is poured glue, you can maneuver these canvases really well. So doing this to them, like rolling it back on itself so it helps flatten it out, it doesn't hurt them at all, whatsoever. I didn't do that good. I don't know what my problem is. Remember, get your life right. It's not wanting to cooperate. No, I didn't get a legend. Oh, that sucks. But you used to get these. But here's your pretty face. How many freaking colors on this thing? 39. I thought it said it had ABs. Huh. I swear it said it had ABs. Round with AB. But there's no... Anything below 150 is considered AB, and there's nothing on here. I guess we'll see when we get the drills. But if there's no ABs, at least she's round, and I got lots of ABs. From Diamond Dots, from Joann's. Oh, she's pretty, y'all. Look at her. And it says sweet. Her tattoo says sweet and love. I love this paint. Oh, I love it. So excited. She's pretty. I forgot to show you. It's very clear. So you can see. They're very clear. Sticky. She's pretty, so while you look at her gorgeous face, I'll show you the drills. Yeah, it doesn't have, like, I don't even know the artist. Darn it. I should have been more prepared. Crinkle, crinkle time, y'all. If you don't like the sound, please mute for at least, like, 20 seconds. I'll try and be fast. More like 10 seconds, because I'm fast like that. Just kidding. But you guys, that says it had ABs. I'm going to be mad if there's no ABs. It says on there, ABs. Round with AB. So let's just see. So yeah, I'm going to be living the 5200 life. That is white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of white. Ooh wee. Okay, I see the ABs. They're just not on the chart, which is weird. Oh, yeah, it is. They just don't have them on top. They don't have them in order. So 130 is 1 AB. Comes with 1 AB. It's okay. Like I said, I got lots of them from Joann's. I love that I can go in there and buy, but they only do rounds. That's the only thing that sucks. 312, that's a pretty blue. 820, love this blue. 209, like the pink violet. 907, pretty color. 519, the light blue. 3837, that's pretty. We're gonna have the color of our rainbows, aren't we? 718, that's a pretty pink. 702, pretty green. 208, that's my area code where I'm from. That's why I say it like that. I'm a weirdo, I know. Pretty purple. I'm from Idaho. I'm orange. 666, that's a vibrant red. So pretty. 995, beautiful blue. 700's green. 211 is lavender. Pretty. 992, like a dark, more like a kind of like a turquoise, but more, no, I don't know, like a kind of like a turquoise. Brown, green, peach, and a light green. Now, when I don't know what to say, you know, because I'm like, Okay. So, looks like we only got one bag of 310, but it's a big old bag. Then this is like 948 is a flesh tone. 745 is like a light yellow. Like a light peach, you could call that. I don't know. 603, love that. Pink. 154 is a brownish like purple hue to it. 819, that's a baby pink. 601, beautiful pink. We got that mint color. 3609, that's a pretty bubblegum pink. 963, that's a very light pink, baby pink. 996, that's pretty blue. 890, that's a dark green, caramel color. AB, so we got us a yellow AB, a bright yellow one. It's a pretty color, y'all. 945 is again like a neutral color. I don't know. 600 pink. We got like a bluish mintish color. 321. Pretty. I'm excited. This one's already out of control. Sir, you get your life together. I was talking to drills. I'm not referring to myself as a sir. Do y'all do that? Do y'all talk to your paintings and your drills? You tell them to cooperate? I didn't do a very good job in this one, but that's okay, because like I said, I store my drills separate, so it's no big deal. Now, if you store your drills with your canvas inside the box, then you need to be very careful and make sure you get them in there just right so they don't mess up your diamond painting. Which again, I didn't do too bad. Not too bad. Oh, that's pretty big. That's pretty big. So let's look at where the AB goes. It's yellow and it's X. So it's all in her hair, right through here, all that. There's some right through here, right here, right around here, down here, up here, a little bit around there, on her neck, so going down here, scattered through here, there's some over here, sorry, through there, and a little bit through there, and a little bit scattered down here. She's gonna be a beautiful. I'm so happy, you guys. So happy. That's Marilyn. Okay, now the next one is a new release. I don't know if she's discontinued, but I just needed to get her before she, like I said, before she got sold out, because I'd have been so mad at myself. Because I'll do that. I'll wait for them. Once they get on discontinued, then I'm like, ugh. I hurry and get them real quick. But it's kind of hard because when you know they're older, like, I don't know, we get spoiled with the stickers and stuff like that, so. But see, these ones say Geisha, you know, on it. The older ones, it just has like the SKU number for that painting. Okay, last one. Y'all excited? I'm excited. This one is gorgeous. I seen it and I had to have it. Had to. Use my points. Y'all need to come to this whip and chat I'm having tonight. You just do. You understand all of my frustrations. Okay. Well, there's a sticker. So, I'm gonna make you guys wait. Make you suffer for a minute. I love the way they're packaging these. I love how that's packaged. You know now. Now you know. I done blew it. You probably seen her face. But I did get Once Upon a December. So Anastasia. And the only reason that was marked down so much, I'll show you on the painting, is because there was just a little flaw. And this is again around. You guys, I did this on purpose because I want to use ABs. And I like a lot of them. This has 40 colors and only one AB. It's okay, that's why I have extra. I bet this has a lot of ABs. It's probably like a white or something. Okay. I love how they wrap it like this so then it doesn't get... Oh. I got one of them, y'all. So this is release paper, but that's not big enough to cover this painting. Like, let me show y'all. Now, why would you tease me like that, Diamond Art Club? That's... Even if I did it to the very... I'm still missing that much. But that's release paper. That's really cool. I like that. I like they give that option. That's cool, Diamond Art Club. But look at her. Isn't she beautiful? This is a Mandy Manzano. And it's... So, when they do that, roll it this way. Look, I just have to do this with them. Like a little bit of maneuvering, and they lay flat. I don't have to roll them, nothing like that. I love it when they rock them that way. Down here, it says it's did I tell you 51 by 76? So she's a big one. Mandy Manzano, right there. Very beautiful thumbnail, and Diamond Art Club. I love how they're putting the artists down there now. But y'all, okay. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? So what the flaw is if you can see, right here on her dress is a flesh tone instead of like the yellow or the white. That's why they discounted it. Like $20 or whatever. I believe she was like $39.99 or something. But her necklace, if she's dancing, her beautiful long hair, her gorgeous dress. And she's got her, you know, the sheer sham or whatever you call that thing that they wear. Look at all that in her dress. The stained glass window behind her. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I love Mandy's work. I've got a lot of Mandy's work. So you can look at her gorgeous face. I'll show you drills. If you're not into drills, because some people don't like to see the drills. If you need to learn how to diamond paint, you can look up YouTube tutorials. They're probably a lot more helpful than these. Okay, crinkle crinkle time. So we got light yellow, 80, 141. It is white. Look how beautiful. This has all the colors, like pinks and purples and greens and yellows and like a rainbow. You just get a whole rainbow of colors. Love the white ABs. They're definitely one of my favorites. You get caramel. That's what I'm going to say, y'all. Caramel, caramel. Light, yellowish. Small caramel. Blue. Dark brown. 823 is a dark blue. Get 2 bags of that. Brown, you get 939, 1 bag of that. Light pink, peach color. Brown, 321. It's a pretty like reddish pink. Looks like a cranberry. Gray. Where are you? What color are you? You always stump me. The light mauve? I don't know. 666 Violet Red. 796. Oh, I love that color. It's like a pinkish purple. Or is it 797? That's more purplish. I don't remember. Caramel. So the big bags like these are your main colors. Which, I mean, that is a pretty big bag of ABs, but I thought they would have gave you a lot bigger bag. But I don't know. Okay, so Mandy Manzano has a lot of the, she does a lot of the thick outlining of black. So you're going to have a lot of black, which isn't too bad. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. That's not too bad. In a big piece like this. Okay, we got 814, that's a burgundy. Gray. That's like a weird yellow. Gray. Some light mauve. Caramel. 797. That one. What one is it? That's gonna bug me. $7.96 has more of a purple undertone. 93993. Oh my gosh, 993 is like a light green. This is like a off-white gray. Oh, really, really light gray. A coral color. A green. The mint color. 798. Have I had you before? I'm not even sure. Pretty blue. A caramelist color. 799. I'm not sure I've had you either. Pretty blue. Caramel. 775. Is that the mint? Okay, there's a real light one, and then this is a real light mint, and this is a little bit darker mint. I don't know if you can tell. That's like a salmon color. 744, beautiful blue, yellow, and a pretty pink. I'm excited to add more ABs on this one, especially throughout her hair. Why did I just crumple them up like that? Amber, get your life right. Sorry, I'm sitting down again, you guys, during my video. I'm usually standing up, showing y'all, but this is a pretty easy way to do it, and it helps me out tremendously with my back. So, I have my transfusion tomorrow. Oh, I think I put the infusion. I always want to say transfusion, you guys. I don't know what my problem is. It's an infusion for my rheumatoid arthritis. So I have that at 7:50 a.m. Ugh, hate getting up that early. Good thing when my job starts, I'll be working. My job starts at 4. Thank you, baby Jesus. Because I am not a morning person at all. Who else is like that? Are y'all night owls, or are you guys morning people? Now the big bags, like I said, the dominant colors, I do 3. So I do 3 rows at a time with those ones. A lot of drills, y'all. Okay. My puppy's running so tired before I did the video. they're out in the living room and having fun, and now they're all sleepy time. So I need to do more often. Because usually I got Marshall jumping on the paintings, and you guys, he loves to lay on them. He loves the feel of them. He'll just lay on them. And when I'm doing them, he lays at the end of it. So yes, Marshall gets very excited when I have unboxings to do. Mia, she just likes to play with them in the background, but he just likes to see the nifty things, and he'll take off with my toolkits, and he's funny. Let's find out where the ABs go. AB is 1. So it is all up in her crown. It's all in her crown. That's all AB. AB in her earrings. AB in her necklace. There's AB throughout that sheer, what is that, like a veil? I don't know. All these lines right there, though, are AB. Right here's some AB. Her eyes. That's not it. Right in through here, outlining her arm. So yeah, outlining her arm. Throughout here, all over right here, down in through there, that little swirly do. So anywhere you see the white, it's gonna be AB. So all throughout there, coming down here, white, that's all AB. AB. All these, this line, this one, like I said on the other side, down her arm. We got it. Outline throughout here, so all the white that you see in through here, ABs. All this white, the white ABs, going all the way down. Then, like the swirly in her dress, the white, all the white that outlines her dress. So that's what we have. All those white that outlines her dress. So there's quite a bit of AB, white ABs. Oh, and then I don't know if I showed you all right here, the waistline. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty, y'all. That just tore. Great. I say, good thing they gave me that opaque cover, but it's not big enough. Sticky. Shoot. Grr. So I hope y'all liked this unboxing. These are beautiful paintings. I can't wait. Y'all, I have 4 whips. That's crazy. And they're not tiny ones either. They're bigger ones. I lost my damn mind. Don't know what I was thinking. Uh-oh. I'll put this somewhere. Because it can't go in that painting. It'll come to use in one of these paintings. I'll put it to use. I hope you all liked my unboxings and what I got so far. I got another one to do. And there's like, I think 2 or 3. I'm not sure. But I hope you all liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And please comment, because I love your guys' comments. I love talking to y'all. Thank you all for watching and being so supportive. I love you guys. And I will see you guys later. We'll see you guys later. We love you. Bye, guys.